Good day, future employers. I hope you will give me a chance to work in your family. By the way, my name is Homilin Digit and I am from the Philippines. I am 32 years old, married with one son. Now he is 12 years old. My educational background is I'm just a first year college business management, major in marketing. I have experience as domestic helper slash nanny in two countries. First is in Malaysia, second is in Hong Kong. In Malaysia, way back 2014, 2016, 2 years finished contract. Served in the family of four. They are Malaysian Chinese, two adults, one grandmother, and one 10 years old boy. My main duties there is to taking care of 10 years old boy, especially sending him to school and pick him up. I also do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, except cooking because grandma is the one who cook. I also do gardening and car washing. Second is in Hong Kong from September 2020 to December 2021. It's just 1 year and 3 months. It's a break contract, but in a good reason that year, I am diagnosed with PCOS. It is a polycystic ovary syndrome. That's why I decided to go back to my country to do medication. As of now, I can assure you that I'm good. I am healthy. By the way, before I am 83 kilos and now I am 51 kilos. So I am healthy and I am good. I can assure you that I can work in your family with no hassle. My duties in my employer in Hong Kong is to mainly taking care of the baby. By the way, there are four in the family, two adult, one grandmother, and one 8 months baby girl. They are also a Chinese family, but I am also doing the household chores like cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, car washing, and also sometimes marketing. So future employers, that is my experience in Malaysia and in Hong Kong. I hope you will give me a chance to work in your family. I am very much willing to learn in your culture, in your family. So I hope you will hire me. Thank you so much. Bye.